Hello guys, today is the another day of English speaking challenge. So today I don't know what day is. I think it's day 7 or day 8 or maybe it's day 9. I don't really know. So today the topic that I have chose to speak on is how we can make other people like us. This is a question which comes in our mind often. So I have some points which I need to tell. See, there are a lot of things which we have to conquer, which we have to develop in ourselves if we want to speak. No, if we want to make others like us. But there are some root thing which I am going to. There are some core thing which I am going to tell you right now today in this video. That going to give us majority of the result, right? So the first thing is that I learned from my own experience is that ask for advice. Whenever we ask for advice to others, whenever we ask advice to people, they feel really good and they were able to what they are able to teach us what they already know. So they feel good, they can teach us whatever the thing they know when we ask them advice about any particular thing. Like if I saw someone who is great at badminton and I'll go and ask him for advice on, hey, can you tell me from your experience that I also wanted to become a bench badminton player just like you. Could you tell me? So he was going to tell you that thing and you're really going to like the subconsciously, right? So now with this thing, the second thing is coming here is that ask a question, and this is not just me telling you, right? This is the research based. Harvard, one of the number one university in this entire world. Harvard University has done a research, and they clearly mentioned that the people who ask questions, people like those person who ask questions, like so subconsciously. So we need to ask people question about everything. Like you can ask people question about anything, like any sports, any politics, anything, any book, any recommendation. Like so, when we ask somebody some question, then it shows that we are genuinely interested on that conversation and we genuinely want to learn something, because we are learning when we ask somebody, because we don't know anything. And with this thing, now, third point that I'm going to talk about right now is that don't be someone who you are not. Don't be someone who you are not. Don't brag yourself. Don't brag yourself. If you are not rich, don't show off that you are rich, because sooner or later you will get caught. Right? Sooner or later you will get caught by those people that what's the real reality is. That's what I'm telling. So it's better to make yourself better. It's better to improve yourself and just present who you are, just present what you truly are. Don't try to fake yourself, because the fake word is such a evil word which I truly believe, because with my experience I am telling you that whenever we try to show off, whenever we try to show off that someone who we are not, then the people sooner or later catch in their subconscious mind, then they start distrusting us and not like us so much and don't have much respect about us. Okay, so now I'm showing you something. That is the cooler. Look at that cooler. Okay, okay. So this is the cooler which gives us cool air. Okay. So with these 3 points, I'm going to talk about the fourth and the most important point is that listen and share your experience. So what do I mean by share your experience? So share your experience means you need to have a lot of experience. So when I learn about this, I ask myself, I do not have that much experience to talk about, to tell about, to tell to people. Like so, after understanding that thing, I started participating in various events. I started participating in the various functions that happens in college. Started going gym. I started traveling with my friends. I started playing guitar. I started learning dance like this, and I started exploring various things. So because of that, I have a lot of stories and experience to tell to people. So this is the thing, and again I'm telling you that this is the number one cooler which is always going to give you very nice cool air, and and the and the most important point that I'm going to talk about is that accept that you don't know everything. People don't like that person who comes and tells, okay, I know everything, everything, everything. Okay, you are not going to tell me what need to do and what that. I know everything, right? So don't be like it. We are very little. We don't know everything, right? So we don't know. So that thing which we don't know, we have to learn from the people who know that, right? Whenever we don't have to show off that, okay, we know that. Last but not the least is laughter. Always try to make crack jokes, add humor whenever possible to lighten up the conversation, right? Because people love that thing most. The most important thing, humor. And always try to laugh whenever you think it's a situation to laugh, right? Don't hold your laugh like that. So that is it for today, guys. Uh, this is the day, and today I don't wanted to make this video because I just eated carbohydrates so much. I ate fries and that makes me very sleepy. That's why I am not able to speak such in a great way, the way I should speak the right. So that is it, and this is again a challenging video, and right now I am ending this video. So see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.